Good morning, student. Today's article is Classical Theory of Raman Effect, that is molecular polarizability. In last lecture, we have to study the Raman effect. We have seen this. There are three lines in Raman effect. First one is central line called as Redith line, and its frequency is nu zero. Then second one is the lines of frequency less than that of Redith line, nu is less than nu zero, are called Stokes line. And third one is the lines with frequency greater than Rayleigh line, nu is greater than nu zero, is called as anti-Stokes line. We have to see this in last lecture. In this lecture, classical theory of Raman effect in molecular polarizability. When a molecule is placed in a electric field, negative electron is attracted towards positive pole, whereas positively charged nuclei get attracted towards negative pole, and polarization of molecule take place. Okay, separation of charges induces dipole moment mu. The induced dipole moment mu is proportional to the applied electric field intensity E. Okay, therefore formula is mu is equal to alpha E. Mu means dipole moment. The constant proportionality alpha, the alpha is the molecular polarizability, where alpha is the molecular polarizability. When radiation of frequency nu zero is allowed to fall on the molecule. Each molecule varying electric field. E is equal to E0 sine of 2 pi nu 0 into T. This is equation number 1. The induced dipole moment undergoes oscillation of frequency nu 0. Therefore, mu is equal to alpha E. What is the put the value of E in this equation. Therefore, mu is equal to alpha into what is the value of E? E0 sine of 2 pi nu 0 into T. This is equation number 2. Such oscillating dipole emits radiation of its own oscillating frequency. Thus, equation 2 gives explanation of Rayleigh scattering because of nu 0, where m represents the atomic mass, x represent the displacement, and k represent the bond strength. In following diagram, this is the diagram. These are two molecules. This is m1, this is m2. These are two molecules, the distance x1 and x2. This is the A, reduced mass. Okay, let nu vibrational be the frequency of vibration of molecule. Then the instantaneous displacement of the reduced mass m is given by x is equal to x0 sine of 2 pi nu vibration into t. Okay, this is the expression for x, where nu vibration is the frequency of molecular vibration and defined as nu vibration is equal to 1 upon 2 pi square root of k by m. Okay, we have already seen last equation. This is due to the internal motion of vibration or rotation. The polarizability changes periodically, means up and down. The oscillating dipole will have superimposed upon its vibrational or rotational vibration. Thus, alpha is equal to alpha 0 plus beta sine of 2 pi nu vibrational into t. Nu 0 is replaced by nu vibration. This is equation number 3, where alpha 0 is equilibrium polarizability and beta represents the rate of change of polarizability. With vibration. Okay, the equation 3 becomes this equation: mu is equal to alpha e. Okay, put the values of alpha and e using equation. Therefore, mu is equal to, what is the value of alpha? Alpha 0 plus beta sine in bracket 2 pi nu vibrational into t. And what is the value of e? E0 sine of 2 pi nu 0 into t. This is equation number 4. Therefore, using trigonometric equation or relation, what is the trigonometric relation? Sin A into sin B is equal to 1/2 cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. This is the trigonometric equation. Therefore, equation 4 becomes, equation 4 becomes mu is equal to alpha 0 into E0 sine of 2 pi nu 0 into t plus 1/2 beta E0 cos of 2 pi into nu 0 minus nu vibration into t minus cos of 2 pi nu 0 plus nu vibration into t. Using the trigonometric equation, we have to write the equation in this form. Thus oscillating dipole has frequency component nu plus or minus nu vibration as well as executing frequency nu. Executing frequency nu. Number 1, nu is equal to nu 0 is Rayleigh line. Frequency of this line is equal to 0. Then second, nu is equal to nu 0 minus nu vibrational is called Stokes-Raman Stokes line. And third one is nu is equal to nu 0 plus nu vibration is called Raman anti Stokes line. Okay, this is the equation for molecular polarizability.